Okay. Hari Om everyone. Requesting all children to please assemble here for the treasure hunt. We'll have 3 age groups and we'll be standing in a line. This is 5 to 8. 5 to 8. And okay. This is 5 to 8 row. This is 9 to 12. And here it's 13 to 18. 13 and above. Huh. So requesting all children to assemble here for the treasure hunt. We have 3 age groups, so kindly stand accordingly. If you're if you fall under 5 to 8 age category, please stand here. And if you're 9 to 12, stand here. And if you're 13 and above, one line. Maybe you can stand in 2 lines. Here. Okay, stand. You can stand in 2 lines. Stand.
Request all the children to confirm if they have registered their names.
You may want to stand in 2 lines.
Request all children to confirm if they have registered their names.
You can come here. Yeah, 2 lines.
Okay. So, please confirm your name with Divya ji. Five to 8, 9 to 12, 13 and above. Request all the kids to come in line. Hello. Chiran, Kirtana, Sandy, Donika, Saket, Amok, Rishika, Mahant, Sakshi, reading, okay. Gaurav, Raksha, Chaksas, Ayan, Satvik, Ritvik. Anybody else whose name is missed out from this? Okay, so we'll play a 1-minute game. Okay, so can 5-year and 8-year come this side, move this side? Okay, so there are 3 poses: Krishna, Radha, and Sudama. Okay, so when I say Krishna, you'll stand like this. Okay, when I say Radha, you'll stand like this. You'll stand like this. You'll hug. Okay, when I say Sudama, you'll go bow down. Okay, so ready? Krishna, Sudama, Radha. Radha's like this. Okay, Krishna, Krishna, Sudama, Radha, Krishna, Radha, Krishna, Radha, Krishna. Okay, so do I have everybody's attention now? Okay, so can we start? Okay, so we are going for a treasure hunt. And there is a small backstory to it which Manya will be telling you all. Okay?
We'll first make teams.
We'll make teams first? Okay.
So,
No, let her tell the story.
all these people have to stand here. Each one will represent one team.
Okay.
Or we can make them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You can come here.
One adult volunteer also is there.
Next, Balakrishna too.
You know the team members? Sakshi, you know your team? Sakshi, you're in Balakrishna too. Okay, Balakrishna 3.
Balakrishna 4.
6 again.
Bharat Alva audio. Need volunteers.
We have to ask. It's not decided. We have to ask them.
Kaushik ji, Karthik ji. So you know, sir, you got the last 7.
Seven.
No, Karthik ji 6, sir.
Karthik is 6, Kaushik is 7. Use the phone. You kids will not use the phone. No invoking Google Amma. Okay, no invoking Google Amma. No need, we don't want Google Amma, because if you call Google Amma, the devas who are watching you will ban you. Google Amma is a bad lady. Okay, so now Manya will give you a story of what's happening. There's some real tense situation here. We're all in trouble. There's something happening. You all are spies. You will be the spy and you will help Krishna. Will you do it? Yes. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna. Yes.
Okay, listen carefully, Guptachars. So all of you are Guptachars. Do you know who a Guptachar is? Spy. Yes. So listen carefully, Guptachars. For what I'm about to tell you is no ordinary tale. It's a matter of great danger, a secret known only to a few. This is the demon Kali, the enemy of Dharma. He has been waiting in the shadows, preparing to attack earth. But before he could raise, he sent his most cunning and powerful soldier, Gardhabasura. Kali's command was clear: steal all the divine weapons of Krishna, for without them, Kali believed Krishna would be left powerless against him. But this was Kali's greatest foolishness, for the Lord of the cosmos needs no weapon to uphold Dharma. Did Lord Narsimha not burst from a pillar and with no weapon in his hand tear apart Hiranyakashipu with his very claws? When Dharma is threatened, the Lord himself becomes the weapon, and in that moment, no force of darkness can stand before him. Yet, blinded by arrogance, Gardhabasura carried out Kali's command. In the silence of the night, he crept into Vaikunta and laid his hands upon the divine astras of Sri Krishna. But his greed did not stop there. He stole Krishna's ornaments, his sacred treasures, and even the items closest to his heart. Just as he was escaping, however, Krishna's closest associates, the Sudamas, confront him. A fierce battle erupted. The Sudamas fought with unmatched courage, reclaiming much of what was stolen. But Gardhabasura, cunning and relentless, used his Maya Shakti and freed from their hold and fled back into the shadows. Yet the danger is far from over. Gardhabasura dared not return to Kali empty-handed. Instead, he has called upon his Asura friends. They are haunting once again for Krishna's ornaments and weapons disguised as ordinary people. That is why the Sudamas cannot hand these sacred items to just anyone. They will not be deceived. To protect Krishna's treasures, each Sudama is hidden at a different location, guarding a part of Krishna's treasure. And they will give it to the Guptachars of Krishna's only. And who are the Guptachars of Krishna? Yes, all of you. And to prove yourself, you must solve their riddles and pass their tests. For the Sudamas must be certain that you are not an Asura in disguise. So your mission is to first seek out the 7 Sudamas in their secret locations, solve their challenges to reclaim Krishna's treasures, protect these sacred items at all costs, and deliver them safely before Krishna, before Gardabasura strikes again. So remember, the path will not be easy. Gardabasura is still lurking in the shadows. His asuras walk amongst you in disguise. One mistake could cost you everything, but if you succeed, Krishna himself will bless you and Gardabasura's evil plan will be destroyed. Now, Guptachars, are you ready? Yes! So let's quickly revise the game rules. So how are you going to hunt these items? So there are 7 symbols and they are with the 7 Sudamas. They are at 7 distinct secret places. So each of these teams, you all are teams of Guptachars. All of you will be given a key. It's a 4-digit number. We'll tell you where it is. It's on the map also, and we'll also point it out to you. You will have a QR code on the map. You need to scan the QR code, and you will have to enter the key of your team. Once you're done, you will receive 2 puzzles. As soon as you enter the key, you will see 2 puzzles on the screen. The first one is a riddle, and the second one is a key. It's a hint to where you should go using the map. So the second puzzle is to help you find the Sudama. So once you find the right Sudama, you can share your answer to the first and the second riddle to them, and then you will receive your next clue on where you're supposed to go. Also, here we'll now show you who the 7 Sudamas are. That way it will be easy for you to identify them.
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Rama Rama,
Rama Rama,
Hare Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Rama Rama,
Hare Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama Rama,
Rama Rama,
Hare Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Rama Rama,
Rama Rama,
Hare Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Rama Rama,
Rama Rama.
Hare Hare.
Book now. Okay, now these are the 7 Sudamas. You have to answer the puzzle and find them in the location which is given in the map. Is that clear? The leaders? You have to log into the app, answer the puzzle. 2 questions will be asked. One is answer to the question, one is how to identify the Sudamas. Once you collect all the 7 jewels, you will come to Krishna here for the final puzzle.
So final puzzle you have to come to me. Okay.
I'll repeat again. The volunteers will log into the app. There will be 2 questions asked. You will be given a secret code. There will be 2 questions asked. One question is to identify the jewel. Second question is to identify the Sudama. With both the answers ready, you will go to the Sudama at the location in the map. Once you go to the location, give the answers. The Sudamas will give you a code, which we will log into the app again. Then you will go to the next set of questions will come. Answer that, go to the next Sudama.
Running.
Clear?
All of you will get this map. Okay? And here you have this QR code. Can you all see the QR code? Yes, so your volunteers will scan this QR code and you will have a drop down. You need to select who are you? All of you. Guptachars. Yes, so you need to select Guptachars and then it will ask for a key. And here below the QR code, you will have a special key. Each team has a special key. Now we'll distribute the maps and this map is special to each team. So make sure to keep this safe because this is your key to the treasure. Okay, let's start.
Please scan the QR code. Any doubts, any confusions, please contact in your map. Your place. Damas, please leave for your secret place. Damas. Please wait here.
So that's the answer.
Volunteers, has everybody logged in?
So now,
One second, there's something messed up in the app. Your team? 4. The first answer is Tulsi Mata. Okay. And the second answer is
It's Vanamala.
Okay. Code.
We got
Put it in that.
We got it.
Code.
We got one. We got one. Hello. We have 6 more.
Green and blue with shining gleam. I sparkle softly like a dream. In answer.
Okay, pin code type 2137. 2137. 2137.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರು ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್
One second.
Which place are you?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
It should be Hastinapur.
ನಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ
Okay. Tell me
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
your Balakrishna.
ಓಕೆ ಬಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಓಕೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡಿ I sit in pots both round and deep. Krishna steals me when others sleep. Soft and creamy, a tasty prize, loved with by with joyful eyes. ಎಂತಾರೆ
Very good.
Yes.
2138.
2138.
my voice come on. Okay, this one. Fix this. So where are we right now? Where are we? Okay, so then go back here and then right.
Where's the youngest member? Yeah.
Tell the team name and
Balkrishna 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Where have you come?
where have we come here?
Okay, fine.
Correct.
What is
Okay,
the
now
answer?
question, that we have to figure out.
You should not help.
No, I don't know. They only figure out. We just run off as soon as we get
From
into
Vishnu's navel, a gently rise a throne of creation of Brahma, the wise Krishna's hand, will softly glow the blossom that flow where his feet go. Kamala. Lotus.
Some other name in Sanskrit? One more? Same letter, but different name. Starting same letter, but different name.
Lotus.
Lotus.
2, 1.
We left only one. We left only one.
Kunti son, हाँ होगी एलिगे
We are before you.
Anyone. In the grass.
The entire team came here. You can't hide it. It's okay. We haven't solved it.
My grass.
My God, my friends. Yes, I'm hearing that.
One line each, okay? Clear that?
All of you can listen.
Okay.
Everyone together.
Okay.
Asha.
You remember first time?
We came first. We came. No, whoever solved first.
अच्छा.
This group now.
हाँ, this group. हाँ.
In Krishna's grasp,
Krishna's grass.
I bend and sway.
I bend and sway.
You remember this? Okay, you remember this?
Krishna's grasp. I bend and sway. Okay.
Second line you will remember. My arrows guide.
My arrows guide.
The right is way.
Right is
Right. Second line. First line is what?
My arrows guide the righteous way. Okay, here. No, here.
Silent until the fight is near. Third line. Okay. The fourth line.
Fourth line.
I bring force to enemies. Now, with no fear. Okay? What line? Now, ask you answer. The first team gets the answer.
Okay.
Very good. So, what was the next?
Guruji, ours sir.
Guruji, our. You can see. No, it doesn't matter. All of them will give them the same question because all of them came together.
No.
You only see the time. Everyone does not get the who solves this puzzle? Yeah, who solves this puzzle? They got only 6.
All the 17 stars.
He went everywhere, Guruji. I think you missed one token. Yeah, token is missing.
One much is missing. See, but then I did not have much he gave us.
I think.
Three people. I want three people.
Only the team leaders. Stand up. Only the team leaders.
Only three. Please come. Only three. Sorry. That's okay. That's over. Job is over. Stand. So 3 are over. All 3 has come.
Yeah.
Who is this team? Which team?
Get down.
You get back. Get out. Get down.
Careful.
No. Which team is yours? 3 people only I want. 3 people. 3 elders. 3 not young kids. 3
You
elders.
always solve together.
Only 3 people. Okay? Okay, please understand. I will tell something. One person from each team has to remember one line.
7, but it doesn't matter.
There will be 3 lines. One person from each team has to remember one line. Only one line. Are you clear? Second person remember second line. Third person remember third line. Are you clear? Without team, Appa. Now, from each team, one person, please raise your hand. One person, only one person. Each team, one person. One person from each team.
This one will be done.
One person from each team. Please, Rama. One person from each team has raised your hand. Okay. I will say something. You have to listen and remember. I say something. You have to listen and remember.
The answer. What is the answer?
Okay. Please remember. In Krishna's grasp means hold. Okay. I bend and sway. I bend and sway. In Krishna's grasp, I bend and sway. Right? That's the first line. Remember? This you have to remember. Now, in Krishna's grasp means hold. I bend and sway. Now, those who have listened, please get down. Your team members will come with the other second clue. Okay? Now, please go. All of you have gone. Raise your hand. Each another person. One member from each team. Second line. Second clue. Which clue? Second. I'll give you the second line. Second clue. All of you? You're there? Are you there? Second. My arrows guide the righteous way. My arrows guide the righteous way. Got it? So go and join your team. This is the second clue. Now third person. Last clue. Right? Silent until the fight is over. Until the fight is over, I bring the enemy's force down with no fear. Silent until the fight is over, I bring the force down with no fear. This is the third clue. So now, the first clue, second clue, third clue is there. All of you solve the third clue and give one answer to me. They are the winner. Silent until bring force down, enemies down, with no fear. With third line. Silent until the fight is over. The fight is near. I bring down the force with no fear.
Okay, so what we have said is answer.
All the three lines are no. Solve the clue and come to me. What?
I don't know.
No. All the three lines will be one answer. It's not three answers.
Okay, team.
All
of you have got the question.
one answer.
Yeah. You can discuss at different places.
Among the group
Yeah.
and come with one answer.
Yes.
The three statements have got one answer.
Yes, all the three
All the three
sentences.
together solve one answer.
Yes, it's one riddle. All the three lines form one riddle.
Group 1, Balkrishna 1. No asking Google for the answers. If you've got the answer, please come and tell Guruji. Team 6 has got the answer. Don't tell the answer loud. Shh. Shh.
Go back. back, go back. Go